Welcome back to Day 1 Spanish, episode 5 of 20, the week 1 finale. I'm Carlos.
And I'm Lucia. 5 days in, you have 2.5 verbs to be, the verb to have, and numbers to 10,000. Today, the most dependable machine in the entire language.
Today's sentence, strike season, a permanent fixture of European news. Real speed, Lucia.
Los médicos y los profesores están hoy en huelga. Slowly, los médicos y los profesores están hoy en huelga.
First profession, the doctor. Lucia, one doctor.
El médico. Many doctors. Los médicos. El médico. Los médicos.
Your turn, the pair repeat after Lucia.
El médico. Los médicos. And there's the machine, Carlos. Ends in a vowel, add an S. That covers most of the language.
And if the word ends in a consonant, you add ES instead. The teacher, el profesor, ends in R. So,
Los profesores. El profesor. Los profesores.
your turn.
El profesor. Los profesores. Vowel. Add S. Consonant. Add ES. That is honestly the whole plural system. No umlauts, no surprise endings, no exceptions worth fearing. If you've ever studied German, you may now take a moment.
And remember the agreement habit from day 1. Everything pluralizes together. El médico, los médicos, la calle, las calles, the article, the noun, even the adjective, all wearing matching S's. Now, what are they doing? They're on strike. And Spanish says it with a star, your where and how verb from day 3.
La huelga. Están en huelga.
Literally, they are in strike. A strike is a state you're in, like a place, so it takes a star. Your turn, and mine the silent H. Huelga starts with a W sound. Huelga.
Están en huelga. That silent H is everywhere, by the way. Hola, hoy, huelga. Spanish writes the H and then completely ignores it.
And why do strikes make the news? Because these people normally work. Which brings us to your first big verb, family. To work, trabajar.
Trabajar. They work. Trabajan. Trabajan.
Your turn. And enjoy that J. It's a breathy H sound, trabajan.
Trabajan. Trabajar belongs to the R family, the biggest verb family in Spanish. I work, trabajo. He works, trabaja. They work, trabajan. The same O-A-A-N endings will fit thousands of verbs.
Day 2 gave you the machine. Today you see its scale. The full R pattern with hablar, to speak, and estudiar, to study, is on today's sheet. Here's where we started. Slowly first.
Los médicos y los profesores están hoy en huelga.
The doctors and the teacher are on strike today. Real news speed.
Los médicos y los profesores están hoy en huelga. Your turn. Out loud the whole thing. Repeat after me. Los médicos y los profesores están hoy en huelga. Muy bien.
And that's week 1. Done. Take stock. 2 verbs to be, and the one-line rule between them. To have, to live, to work, the 4 words for the plural machine, and numbers to 10,000. That's the foundation of the entire language.
Week 1's master sheet. Every table, every word is free at linguawire.com/day1. The weekend homework reviews all 5 sentences, worth 10 minutes of your Saturday.
Next week, we stop building foundations and start reading the actual news. Elections, weather, transport, money, and sport.
El lunes. Las elecciones son el domingo.
On Monday, the election is on Sunday. And the curious fact that Spanish elections are always plural. See you then.
Hasta el lunes.